bridge, right? Is it?
I really don't know.
Anyway, we are here at Pangkapisan Sur, coming out, going plus Celsius outside. The weather is really good. Unexpectedly, the weather report says 80% chance of rain. Okay, here we are. Lingayen Slaughterhouse, Fishport. See how far we can go. Tricycle is also faster. up the ramp in Lingayen. Hopefully we can go a little bit. Because they are still working here, so we are trying not to be an obstacle. Very beautiful here. So this will be the future on-ramp. So if you're in Lingayen and you want to go to Binmaley or to Dagupan, this is where you will enter the Bypassroad, right from here. And here we can also see the girders which they are building. They are building them on site so that they are not being delivered, but they are being built right here. As soon as they have hardened and are ready, then they will be placed over the Agno River. Many, quite a lot. The pillars are already done. We saw that from the drone footage. Crossing of a small road, left and right. I don't know how they will solve it later on, but I guess the people will just have to be careful. Okay, we got permission to drive through here until the second bridge, which is in Kibauer district. I think in Kibauer district we will have to get off. This is exclusive access. Show the people of Lingayen. All this to be finished already. Maybe one more year and everything is done. 2024 is a good guess. From Binmaley to Lingayen, because there are still at least 2 bridges needed. The one in Dagupan and the one in Kibauer. Thank you. Not happy with those sticks, but you know. There's a sprinter, we will have a flash. I have no what? No, here not really.
There's a also
we are on the part of the bypass road we have never driven yet because it was not yet finished, and obviously we are on the wrong side of the road because this is the one they made drivable. It's not working, I will report it. But you can see all the bridges like here, it's not really a bridge but an elevation, it's already finished. How beautiful that will be in the future. Look at this, huh? Awesome. At some point we will have to go to the other side of the road. So we are approaching now the second bridge. See, the street is in the right place, no? We have to go off here because the bridge does not exist yet according to the art. But obviously they start working on it. But we will have to go to the other side somehow. Oh, there's an island. Very nice.
Yeah, that's why.
And here's the off. So I would suggest we will fly our drone one more time here for the battery what's left. Go over there. And we can join with the second part. recording?
Yeah.
Okay. The other guard said this part of the bridge is not yet finished, but must have been very recently finished because this guard here just gave us the go-ahead and we are allowed to pass here. At the second bridge over the Passing River, which is actually the biggest, I think. It's bigger than the one in Lingayen. So the Passing River is being bridged 3 times. We need 3 bridges over the Passing River. And we have the absolute privilege to drive here, getting the full length of the Bypassroad from downtown Lingayen all the way to Biec in Binmaley. This is very exciting and extremely good news. So it's not that they did not work much. It was just a little bit delayed during the COVID area in 2021 and late 2022. And I guess they are on track right now. No? Give it 1 more year and this street will be done. The bridges is the only obstacle. Of course, the continuation from Biec via Karail to Calmay is another chapter to be written. So that needs a major connection and a major bridge over the Agno River itself in the Dagupan city. And there we really don't know when this is going to happen because this will not be built by the same people. It's another jurisdiction. We are now in Binmaley. We are not in Lingayen anymore. Cool, huh? And here, as in every other area where they build the bridges, the girders are already out for drying. They need a couple of months to be in the sun to get really thoroughly dry and in a strength. But it seems they have the numbers, they are all there to bridge the Passing River. The Passing River is a contributory to the Agno River. They don't know that we are not politicians, huh? There's another new bridge which seems to be already finished. This is in Biec. I hope we will be able to drive over it. That would be our next obstacle. It will be exciting if this is finished. How fast you can be in Dagupan, probably 10-15 minutes, no? From Lingayen instead of an hour. Bless the Lord. Is it still okay here? Do you know why I chose that? Because it is me who did it. And only I can make corrections if they were any correct. So here the bridge in front, we can see it's white colored. This is the new part. What we see. When we go, there is Kipauer, parallel to us. very pretty driving already here. So if it comes to the street itself, almost finished I would say. It's only the bridges which are not yet done. This is the bridge, if you look there, well, what we always pass, coming from Kibar, no? This is the brand new part. You know that bridge, right?
Yes.
You see how fast we were here compared to going in the back? So I do not know if this is drivable or not, but I guess on the right side, not on the left side. Because I can see lanes, no? Oh, we are on the brand new bridge. We should already see Bo's Coffee House from here, which is actually right there in front. There you can see the roof, the red roof of Bangsar. There, the green, the fly roof, no? That is all part of Bangsar. So, which is the right place here, left or right? Let's see. And this here, because there's more dirt on the other side, right? Very nice. You can already go through. Oh, this is great. Now we are in Biec. This is the last time, the end of the current building where we will have to go down and join the major road over there, the old one. See, there's Bangsar, no?
Yeah.
Also that hump is really not necessary. This is already the street, no? Binmaley. Awesome. Nicely done, right? Continuation, which starts in Binmaley, in Biec as well, and goes all the way to the Dagupan, Calmay district. But this is the east end. Since we don't know how far they came, we will scout first and send the drone later. Whoopsie! This is some adventurous road here, huh?
Yeah.
Whoa.
And over there is a car wash.
But you see, they don't finish that part because I do believe that will be an overpass. That's why they don't invest anything in that little road here. No? And the real part starts right there. No? This is what I think. And they do the same on the other side, no? Where the fish ponds are. No? So I guess there will be some sort of overpass. Because if you have a bypass road and you have to stop somewhere, then it's useless. Then you're generating traffic, right? It's high tide. Look at the water. That's why at this time I will not go to Calmay. Our car will be a submarine. See, we were already here. That line is from us. Okay, let's pave. On the other side I didn't have to pave because I paved it 2 years ago. It was still accurate. So we will update ways as well. They really did a lot here, look, oh. I think the end was where that little shed is, no? Ladies and gentlemen, there is progress. And it's very welcome. Even if it is only 500 meters. It's very welcome. You build it and they will come. It's the saying. We are really sorry for such a long time no update, because there was really not much to update. Nothing was really happening worth an update. But I think this time it's quite good. What about your audience? Tagalog, nothing to see. Oh, goodness. Now we are on a brand new stretch that did not exist more than 1 year ago. It's very pretty. They can already soon start the pavement. Soon will be the end, huh? Looks like. I also heard that some of the delays were because of the right-of-way, huh? So some of the fish pond owners did not really like to settle or did not agree to the price. That can keep the whole project down for years sometimes. So I hope this is not true, at least I hope they came to a settlement if it's true. It's horrible to hold a project like that where billions flow into and then nothing, no? Because of a fish pond. Yeah, I think we reached the new ending. And I will give the stage to Waxy the drone. Because for the drone there is no end. It goes where nothing else goes. It comes to a sudden stop, yeah? I mean nothing. You go chuk chuk. No? So there's still a lot of work to be done here, it seems, but as soon as we are in the air, we will know more. There, parallel on the right side where we are driving here is the street going to Bypassroad and Calmay. That street will be a little bit relieved of traffic if this part here is finished.